Okay, today I've been using this, well, for the last few days, I've been using this Cabot Deck Correct. This stuff goes on thick. It's actually pretty amazing. They have 50 plus colors, it says here. Take a look at the brochure here a little bit. It's hard to see, the sun shining on it. But they have a ton of different colors. From black, grays, cedar, redwood, greens they have. It's worked out pretty amazing. So we did it here. Here's what it looks like on new boards. I replaced a few boards here, but then there was some other boards here that had some rough stuff on it already that we put it on. And this is all, this right here, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit on it. This here is all old boards that we put it on, and this is what it looked like beforehand. I don't know if you can see it, all weathered and everything, peeling. And then here's the floor. Here's what the floor looks like right now. I'm going to go over the floor with this here real quick, but we went over this side here. That's an after. That looks pretty freaking good there. It looks almost new. This here is the before. So we're going to go over that here today, and then we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. But this deck, when we moved in here, they already had put, this has been 9 years ago, they had put this real thick stuff on here, and it's never really looked that great. But I'm going to go ahead and put this Deck Correct on here, and we're going to see what it looks like afterwards. But so far, so good with this stuff here. We really like it. As far as applying this stuff, you just use an 1/8 inch regular paint roller and a paint can. What we did here, we put on here, we did it with a paintbrush, of course, on the railing, but on the floor, I did that floor over here with the roller, and it turns out real well. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I guess the spilled paint stuff here we're gonna go over, but show you what it looks like when we're done. On the floor, you roll it on, which I'll show you later. I'm gonna roll it onto the floor and we'll see some results. Let's see how it looks. But I got a lot of these spindles to clean up here, make it look a little bit more presentable. We're selling this place, so it's just a little rough right now. Some of the things here, there's nothing wrong with them other than they're just rough looking. Just a little bit rough looking. I wouldn't personally go with this color. I was just matching the color of what was there is what I'm trying to do. I hate painting. Not my favorite thing to do. Luckily, you don't have to be too precise with this stuff here. Yeah, there's some pretty good little splits in this wood here. So here's the after on applying the Cabot Deck Correct. Here's how really nice it turned out. I mean, it's awesome improvement. I mean, look at the way these spindles look. These things were old and weathered, nasty looking. The deck was nasty looking. This stuff just works freaking tremendously. I am really happy with the results of this stuff. And I got a few things to fit, to touch up here yet, but this has worked out great. These steps were a complete mess, but look at how really nice they turned out. And I am super happy with this stuff. Super happy with it. So this is what these steps look like. But this mess right here that I didn't finish up yet, which I got to do. So, but yeah, if you're wanting to improve the look and add some years to your deck, I would suggest getting this Deck Correct from Cabot. It is an awesome product. Very pleased with it.